Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stabilized whipped cream. People have been asking me how I do this because I do it differently than I've ever seen written down or ever seen another cook do it. And it works. First thing when you make whipped cream is you have to have everything ice cold. This is very cold. The beaters just came out of the fridge along with the bowl. My cream is cold. So I'm putting 1 cup of cream, cup of heavy cream or whipping cream. Either one works. That goes into my bowl. And on top of that, I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of gelatin. And the gelatin in the US is this crystallized stuff. I just sprinkle the gelatin on top and I start beating the whipped cream. Now, I'm using a hand mixer. You see how bubbly this is. As you can see, we're starting to get bubbles. So I turn this on low. And this is when I start adding sugar. Sugar goes in a little at a time. And as more bubbles form, you can go a little faster. How much sugar you use depends on how sweet you want this. This is 1 cup of cream. And I'm using 3 tablespoons of sugar. There you are. This is the whipped cream. It's very smooth. I'll put it on my hand so you can see. It's very smooth. There's no granulation to it at all. And it will stay like this for days. Stabilized whipped cream is something that you use as a cake filling between the layers. It's delicious, or even on top of cake. This one that I have here is this one is about 40 hours old. And as you can see, it's not liquidy at all. It's still very nice. So there you have it, stabilized whipped cream. And it's perfectly smooth. It holds its shape. It's not runny at all, and very simple. You don't have to do all the little fussy steps to make it. So I hope this has helped you. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.